ma-withdraw yung pera. 7K. Yan siya, hayam yan. Yan siya. Kailangan ba mag-withdraw? Withdrawal. Tarin natin. Huwag kayong magpa-photo dyan. Nalaro, oh. Putuin kayo nyo hanggang makarating kayo sa VIP 60. Mag-una, mag-withdraw kayo ng 50 pesos. Tapos sabihin, kailangan pa. Sunod, 500. Mag-withdraw kayo. Sunod, mag-withdraw kayo ng 2,000. Sunod, 5,000. Sunod, 10,000. Sunod, 35. 6,000 hanggang makaabot kayo ng 1,000,000 kaka-withdraw. Kaya huwag kayo magpapauto. Kukuhanan kayo nila ng pera. I don't check. Binigay namin ng ID namin. If you zero do not have the right to withdraw money, you need to top up 500 to upgrade to VIP 1. Before you can withdraw money, thank you for inquiry. Thank you. How? Para makakapunta sa VIP, kailangan ko mag-deposit to 500. Yes, when you deposit 500, upgrade to VIP 1, you can withdraw the full amount in your account. So, yan daw. So, please go to the game platform to recharge 500 pesos. Pinapano pa tayo? Is it true? If it's fake, I will post your link and report this link. I need that money. Hello, we are a formal and legal platform. Please rest assured. When you deposit 500 you want to upgrade to VIP 1, you can withdraw all the money. Scam. Check. Ito po yung ano nila. Ganyan yan. Pag ganyan yung ano nyo, peke yan ha. Peke yan. Peke yan.